guys, got the Mad Max ESC, a TP motor, 6-pole. Zeroed out. Running 10S. Let's see what we can do. This is my car I did 200 with last year, and had it catch on fire the other day, about a month or so ago. So I'm getting it dialed in. It seems like it's doing pretty good. Alright guys, road is clear, here we go. All right. Oop. Was dragging a good bit, but I'm not sure. I guess it was the front end. Let's see. Make sure that car's not coming back. It was a good run though, guys. Yeah, we're good. Just trying to get it dialed back in. The first runs I did with it the other day, I needed to make some adjustments on the trim. Today it seemed really good, so I'm just fine-tuning to feel comfortable getting a full run, but that felt good. I'll try to trim the front edge of the body a little bit if that was rubbing. I'll have to take a look at that. Stop. Read 190. Good. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. So let's see. I think when I got a pass with it a few days ago, did 186. So I went up a tooth, and so it saw a little gain there, so that's good. But yeah, it feels good to have it not fail on me, but you guys can see the whole thing is charred pretty much. Yeah, I mean, I got a lot of stuff rebuilt. Had to do a new servo, drive shaft melted, arms melted, but yeah, so we got 5 wires, 3 wires, and 5 wires, so it's 4 S packs and a 2S in the middle. Yeah, so pretty happy. 190, good pass. Not a PB on the car or anything, but we're happy. So clean runs are fun. All right guys.